Hey, just checking in. End of the day. Yeah. It's a pretty good day. I just finished the video on the Wallaby 1 gallon bags, which are freaking awesome, and the 16-inch sealer that I bought. Super piece of gear. It's going to be going up here shortly. I'm not sure if this video will beat it up because it's actually downloading right now and this video is shorter. So, checking in. Girlfriend bought me one of these. Oh man, I can't remember the name of this thing. Some bearskin tactical or something like that. It's a hoodie. It's just a hoodie. It's got pockets all over it. It's freaking awesome. So if I like it and I find a link, I'll put it someplace down there for you guys. Anyway, so there's a lot of talk today about people are they're letting the world edge in on them. Worried about the Day of the Dragon and all sorts of little red men running around, if you know what I mean. I think people forget that regardless of how militarily strong a country is, even us, the continent of the American continent of North America, the United States specifically, it's so difficult to launch a large-scale military attack onto that it's rated as nearly impossible. Think about the men and hardware and equipment that we had to put together to conduct World War II. Think of it at that scale. Think of what we had to do for Desert Storm. And that was nothing compared to what they had to do at World War II. And that is exactly what that red country would have to do. That's exactly what the other red country would have to do in order to invade America. So the next time you worry about that, the next time you worry about waking up in the morning and being forced to learn Mandarin, okay, take a deep breath, push those thoughts out of your head. Because that's never going to happen. What'll probably happen is some kind of EMP or some kind of cyber warfare, or they'll just make our life a living hell and force us to come fight them because they're smart and we would play into that dumb game. All right, I think I'm done checking in for the night. Video's uploading right now. I'll go find a link for this thing. This jacket's freaking awesome. Oh, look at that. It's got all sorts of buttons. It's comfortable like a hoodie, which is really weird. I'm going to wear this under my Gore-Tex. And that's right, it's even got a hood. All right, guys. I think that's about it. Till the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Oh, yeah, live feed tomorrow. The very last TikTok live feed ever. Also on YouTube. Also on Clapper. But the very last TikTok live feed. Live stream ever. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye, and good night.